Today is a great day. Today is a great day filled with blessings. Today is a great day filled with opportunity. I feel amazing energy flowing through me today. Today is a fresh start, and I welcome it with joy. I am ready to enjoy a day full of success. Good things are already happening for me today. Everything is working out for me today. Today is a great day.
Today absolutely is a great day. I'm so grateful for these affirmations. I'm grateful for my willingness. I'm grateful for my acceptance. And I send you so much love, peace, and blessings. Thank you for watching. Take care. Be well. Namaste.